Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to assign a task to a person in the Asana app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First, you have to open up the Asana app, and here it opens up in the home menu where we have our projects, portfolios and goals. Here under the project section, we have to tap on all so we can see all of our projects, and we can enter the project that we have the task in. So like this, here we have a project, here we have a task, video filming, and next to the task, if we scroll to the right, there's an assignee, and then there's a due date as well. If we tap on the assignee, we can add the person that we want to assign the task to. Here we can just search by name or by email, but we can only add people that are in our workspace. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.